Identifying promising investment properties in your area. Identifying promising investment properties in your area requires careful research, analysis, and a strategic approach. Here are steps to help you find and evaluate potential investment opportunities. Define goals and budget. Determine your objectives and budget constraints. Market research. Study local real estate conditions and trends. Location matters. Focus on desirable neighborhoods. Property type. Decide on the type of property you want. Network. Connect with real estate professionals. Online tools. Utilize real estate websites and alerts. Visit open houses. Attend open houses to assess properties. Metrics analysis. Evaluate properties based on key financial metrics. Inspect thoroughly. Check for structural issues. Financing options. Explore loan options and rates. Property management. Factor in management costs. Appreciation potential. Consider future property value. Negotiate an offer. Make competitive offers. Due diligence. Review all documents and risks. Close the deal. Complete necessary paperwork. Manage and monitor. Oversee or work with a property manager. Remember that real estate investment involves risks, so it's essential to do your homework and seek advice from experienced investors or professionals when needed. Building a diversified portfolio of properties can also help spread risk and improve your chances of success. Smash that bell.